Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring both devices have enough battery and you have your Apple ID credentials. If the watch is paired, open the Watch app on your iPhone and select the paired device. If unpaired, go straight to Settings on the watch. You do this because unpairing or erasing requires authentication and can remove the passcode. Once ready, start the unpair or erase sequence now so the next steps can wipe the passcode clean. Now perform the erase operation that actually removes the passcode. On the iPhone, choose Unpair Apple Watch. This creates a backup, then erases the watch. On the watch itself, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset, right arrow Erase all content and settings. Make sure to enter your Apple ID password when asked so activation lock is disabled. This step both wipes the passcode and secures your Apple ID. Once the watch is erased, pair it with your iPhone and either restore from the recent backup or set it up as new. This is where you choose whether to create a new passcode. Make sure to sign back into your Apple ID so activation lock does not block setup. If activation lock still shows, sign into iCloud. Or contact Apple support for removal help. Finally, finish setup and test that you can access the watch without the old passcode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.